Did you know the secret about long, strong hair? The ingredients is hiding in your kitchen. Let's dive into the power of natural seed and oils. Welcome to today's video. Are you ready to transform your hair care routine with the power of natural ingredients? From the nutrients to rich seeds and oils. Well, I'm using flaxseed, fenugreek, sesame, black seed, clove, and mustard seed. So these are the powerful ingredients that I'm going to use. So the one that I'm pointing is flaxseed, and this is fenugreek. That's mustard seed, black seed, clove, sesame, and rosemary. So those ingredients that I'm going to use to infuse this oil. One of my sister or one of our sister who sent me a message asking me a question, how to infuse the oil. She wants to infuse oil, but she doesn't have blender. How can she do it? So this video, I'm doing it just because of if you also want to do it and you don't have blender, there are so many ways you also can do the same thing to infuse your oil. You can do it without blending it. So these ingredients, I'm not going to blend it. I'm going to infuse it without blending it. But I'm going to call ChatGPT to ask her a question. So we'll come back there, okay? We'll come back to this video. So now let me call her so that we listen to what she's going to say, the benefit that these ingredients, these powerful ingredients have. Let us all listen to. Hi, Jav. How are you, ChatGPT?
I'm doing great, thank you. How about you?
I'm also doing well. I have a quick questions to ask you.
Sure, go ahead. What would you like to know?
Actually, I have my flaxseed, fenugreek seed, mustard seed, sesame, clove, black seed, and 1 tablespoon of rosemary. But all the ingredients, I make one tablespoon plus my rosemary. The rosemary left small, so that one is just about teaspoon, and I added. I'm going to infuse oil for it. So the oils also that I'm going to use is organic oil, jojoba oil, jasmine oil, almond oil, and organic oil. So but that oil I'm carrying, that oil will not be enough. I will definitely add maybe sunflower oil. That one I have many. So these oils I'm using it for me, like high prostate hair and low prostate hair. Can me and my daughter, can both of us use it for our head or not? And also the benefit that these ingredients have. Can you please break it down for me and my audience? Thank you.
Absolutely. Sunflower oil is a great addition. It's light and perfect for both high and low porosity hair. Okay. This blend can definitely work for both you and your daughter. Okay. Here's a breakdown of the benefits. Flaxseed, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. It nourishes the scalp and promotes hair growth. Fenugreek seed, strengthens hair, reduces hair fall, and adds shine. Mustard seed, boosts circulation, stimulating hair growth. Clove, improves scalp health and reduces dandruff. Flaxseed, nourishes hair follicles, promoting stronger hair. Rosemary, stimulates hair growth and improves thickness. Jojoba oil, mimics natural scalp oils, perfect for moisturizing. Jasmine oil, adds a lovely scent and can help reduce scalp infections. Almond oil, rich in vitamins, it strengthens and conditions hair. This infusion can nourish your hair, reduce breakage, and promote growth, making it suitable for both high and low porosity hair.
So do you think that it's advised? You say sunflower oil also is good, but I added sesame also. Is it good idea for adding it, or it's not good idea? Sesame.
Sesame oil is actually a great addition as well. It's rich in vitamins and minerals that nourish the scalp, promote hair growth, and add shine. It also helps to condition and strengthen hair. So adding it can be beneficial for both you and your daughter.
Ah, okay. Actually, it's not sesame oil, it's the seed.
Got it. Sesame seeds can still be beneficial.
Okay.
They are rich in nutrients and help promote healthy hair growth, reduce dandruff, and strengthen hair. Infusing them in your oil mixture can be a great idea.
Thank you. With this infusion, how long do you think that, because I'm not going to blend it, one of my audience asked me like if she wants to make the oil and she doesn't have blender, so I'm just using this video to show it to her for her to know that if she doesn't have blender, she can infuse it without blending it. So without blending it, how many months do you think that is advisable for the oil can infuse very well without blending the ingredients?
If you're not blending the ingredients, it's generally good to let the oil infuse for about 4 to 6 weeks. This allows the nutrients from the seeds and herbs to fully seep into the oil. Make sure to store it in a cool, dark place and shake it occasionally to help the infusion process.
Okay, thank you, Jeff.
You're welcome, Jeff.
Yeah.
If you need... You're welcome.
Yeah. Alhamdulillah. Yaramakallah. Princess, why did you wake up? I'm making a video. I thought you are going to sleep so that I can make the video quick. Yeah.
So I hope you guys also hear what ChatGPT said. So now I'm pouring my ingredients. Oh my God, this girl will let me pour the things on. Okay, I'm pouring it on there. You hear what ChatGPT says? Yes, you can. The benefit that it's having, but you can do it. Put it in the dark corner, maybe for some months. For me, this oil, I know that I'm not going to use it now because I still have oils for I have infusion oil, so I'm not in hurry to infuse it now. So that is why I'm doing it this way. This is my almond oil, amanda oil I'm putting inside. Well, if you are going to do, you can make it maybe double boil method. That double boil method, how are they doing it? Put your water inside your saucepan or your pan. When the water is started boiling, you get the something that will not melt. Put the oil inside. Actually, it will be better if you can get like jam thing like this and it's having the lid. You put it on inside the water, be staining it for maybe 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, you can remove it and let it get cold small so that you use the lid to cover the oil and put it in the dark corner. If you think you don't have oil and you may use it maybe 1 week or 2 weeks time, you want to use it. But as ChatGPT say, I'm also advise that you can, if you can leave it for 1 month, it will be much better so that the ingredients can infuse inside the oil very well. As I said, when I do it like this, it can stand like 1 month, 2 months, or more than that, no problem for me. So I'm telling you because it maybe you don't have oil and you want to use it. Or you can even use it, make the double boil method like this and strain it and start to use. But that one, you can only if you pound it, if you can melt the ingredients or pound the ingredients so that it will come like a powder form that will infuse very fast. Then that one there, I can say, oh, after you make your double boil method, you can just strain it and start using your oil. But using the natural, the ingredients raw like this, to you have to let it infuse the ingredients to infuse inside the oil very well. So guys, after I added my oils inside, it was not enough as I told you guys earlier. I added sunflower oil. Sunflower oil, that one I know I have that one much, but the remaining other carrier oils was just left small remaining. Even my jasmine oil also, I didn't pour all inside because there was just left small. So no, I may need it for something else, so I have to just left small just in case. Oh my God, just in case. My daughter, she was sleeping. This child, if she's sleeping and I'm doing things, I'm always scared because I know that I can't talk. If she's around, one, I can make the video, but I cannot talk because she'll be playing or watching something on the TV, and the voice or the noise will be too much. I cannot hear anything. If she wakes up again, she will try all her best want to help me do my things, and that is she's making it more difficult for me. But what can I do? I'm just managing doing my things. Guys, when I was putting the ingredients, I forgot to tell you guys something because now I noticed this hibiscus also is helping me and my daughter. I'm seeing a lot of benefit from it. So that one also, anything that now I'm doing, I'm trying my best to put less, at least put something of some of the hibiscus inside. So this oil also, when I'm infusing, I forget to add the hibiscus. So I bring my hibiscus now, dry one, to putting it inside. So I added hibiscus also. But no problem. If you are going to do yours, I'm not saying that you also should add hibiscus, but if you want to add, then you can add. If you don't want, then you can just use the ingredients that I use maybe to infuse the oil. The oil, how can you do it? I will advise you again. If you don't know your hair type and you are watching this video, run to my channel or my page. You will see wherever that you are seeing this video, whether Facebook or YouTube or TikTok, wherever that you are watching this video, you are going to watch this video. Check that page. You will see how I make the hair test, how to test your hair, how to know your hair type. Then if you test your hair and you know your hair type, it will be easier for you to infuse the oil. The ingredients, no problem, but the oil, it will be good if you know your hair type so that you can use the right oil to infuse the things. But if not, if you are going to say that you also see it and there is benefit, or people are seeing that the oils are having benefit, and you just infuse without knowing your hair type, Charlie, it's just like you are wasting your time because you are not going to, although you will get that shining things, but going to help you to grow your hair, that one you may not get it because this type of oil, all the time hair is growing from the roof, from the scalp. It's not from the head. Your hair cannot grow from the head. It's growing from your scalp. So these oils need to be massaging in your scalp. And before that also you have to know your hair type so that you use the right oil to do your massage, to massage your hair type, to massage your scalp, to massage your scalp so that it will help you to grow your hair. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you watch it up to this point, you haven't subscribed, subscribe to me, like it, and share for